Please to announce that the bar is now open and clear for service. The train is located in Coach F towards the centre part of the train, where we have for sale a wide variety of freshly made sandwiches, hot freshly made breakfast baguettes, cheeseburgers, selection of sweet and savoury snacks, including freshly made croissants and Danish pastries, selection of soft drinks, alcoholic drinks. We also have our specialty teas and coffees, which at the moment are all priced at 75 pence. These including chamomile, peppermint, Darjeeling, Earl Grey, and the coffees we have white coffees, espressos, americanos, and lattes, cappuccinos. Point out the meal deal which can be available for any passengers on board, £3.50. This will get you a freshly made sandwich, packet of Walker's Biggie crisps and a bottle of pop or water. Also not forgetting our complimentary teas and coffees. All these you can find at the M Bar in Coach F, which is now open. Please, however, just ask that if you are going to move around the train at any point during this journey, please ask that you keep all of your tickets and travel documents with you at all times.